You are not bad at speaking English. You are just speaking it like a robot. Word by word. Stop by stop. And that is exactly why people lose interest when you speak. Fluent speakers do not speak faster. They speak smoother. And today, I am going to show you a simple, linking trick that will instantly change how your English sounds. Most learners focus on vocabulary and grammar. But even after knowing everything, their speech still sounds broken. Why does this happen? Because they speak English the way they read it, not the way it is actually spoken. Real spoken English is connected, flowing, and natural. Words are not separate. They blend into each other. In this video, you will learn why your speech sounds unnatural, what linking really is, and how you can practice it daily. By the end of this video, you will notice a clear difference in how you sound. Why your speech sounds broken. The biggest mistake most learners make is speaking English word by word. You treat every word as a separate unit, so your speech becomes full of small pauses. For example, you might say, I want to go home. Grammatically, this is correct, but it sounds slow and unnatural. The issue is not your English knowledge. The issue is how you deliver it. You are speaking English the way you read it, not the way it is actually spoken. In real conversations, people do not pause after every word. They group words together and speak in a smooth flow. Spoken English is not about isolated words. It is about natural phrasing and rhythm. The main reason behind this is your thinking process. You are still thinking in your native language, then translating into English, and then speaking. This creates a delay between words. Even if your sentence is simple, these small gaps break your rhythm and make your speech sound robotic. Fluent speakers do something different. They do not think word by word. They think in meaningful groups of words and speak those groups smoothly. For example, instead of breaking, I want to go home, into separate parts, they say it as one natural sentence with no unnecessary pauses. Another example is, did you finish your work? A learner may pause between each word, but a fluent speaker says it smoothly as one continuous sentence. The words are clearly spoken, but they are connected through rhythm, not separated by pauses. This is called connected speech. It does not mean using slang or shortcuts. It means speaking with natural flow. So your problem is not vocabulary or grammar. Your problem is lack of flow. Once you start speaking in connected phrases, your English will sound more natural and confident. What is the linking trick and how it works? Now that you understand why your speech sounds broken, let's fix it with a simple concept called the linking trick. Linking means connecting the end of one word to the beginning of the next word, so your speech flows naturally. Instead of treating each word separately, you speak them as one continuous sound. For example, take the sentence, I want to eat. A learner might pause slightly between each word. But with linking, you say it smoothly as one flow. I want to eat. There is no unnecessary stopping. The words are clearly spoken, but they move together in a natural rhythm. Here is another example. She is going home. Many learners break it into parts. But a fluent speaker connects it and says the full sentence in one smooth motion. The sound flows from one word to the next without sharp pauses. Linking happens mainly into simple ways. First, when a word ends with a consonant sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound. For example, take it is spoken smoothly without a break between take and it. Second, when similar sounds come together, they are blended gently instead of repeated with a pause. The goal is not to speak fast. The goal is to avoid unnecessary gaps. When you remove these gaps, your speech automatically sounds more natural and confident. This is why fluent speakers sound smooth even when they are speaking at a normal speed. So, remember this clearly. Do not focus on speaking faster. Focus on connecting your words. When you start linking words properly, your English will feel easier to speak and much more natural to listen to. Before versus after. Broken speech versus smooth speech. Now let's clearly see the difference between broken speech and smooth speech. This is where most learners understand what is actually missing. The words are the same. The grammar is correct. But the delivery changes everything. First, look at this sentence. I am going to the market. In broken speech, it sounds like this. I am going to the market. Each word is separated, so the listener has to wait for the full sentence. It feels slow and unnatural. Now listen to the smooth version. I am going to the market. There are no unnecessary pauses. The words are spoken in one natural flow. Notice that nothing is changed in the sentence. Only the rhythm and connection are different. Take another example. She has finished her work. In broken speech, you may pause after each word. But in smooth speech, you say the entire sentence as one connected idea. The listener understands it instantly because the flow is continuous. Here is one more example. Can you help me with this? If you speak it word by word, it sounds unsure and hesitant. But when you say it smoothly, your voice sounds more confident and natural without changing any words. This is the key point you need to understand. Fluency is not about using difficult words. It is about how you deliver simple sentences. When your speech is connected, even basic English sounds powerful. So start observing your own speaking. If you notice pauses between every word, that is your signal. You need to shift from speaking words to speaking phrases. This one change will completely transform how your English sounds. Daily exercise to build smooth flow and rhythm. Now that you understand linking and flow, the next step is practice. Without practice, this concept will remain theory. The good part is that you only need a few minutes daily to improve your speaking. Start with a simple exercise called phrase reading. Take any short sentence and read it aloud. The first time, read it normally. The second time, focus on speaking it in one smooth flow without pausing between words. Your goal is not speed. Your goal is continuity. Next, use the repeat and record method. Listen to a short English sentence from any video or audio. Pause it. Then repeat it exactly the way it was spoken. Record your voice and compare it with the original. Notice where you are pausing and correct it. Another powerful exercise is shadowing. Play a sentence and try to speak along with the speaker at the same time. This forces your brain to follow natural rhythm instead of translating from your native language. It may feel difficult at first, but it quickly improves your flow. You should also practice speaking in phrases instead of words. Before you speak, quickly group words in your mind. For example, instead of thinking word by word, think in small chunks like, I am going, and, to the market. Then speak each chunk smoothly. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Stay consistent and focus on smooth delivery, not perfection. Within a few days, you will notice that your speech feels easier, more natural, and more confident. Now you understand the real reason your English sounds broken. It is not your vocabulary or your grammar. It is the lack of connection between your words. Start applying this linking trick in your daily speaking. Focus on flow, not speed. Focus on phrases, not individual words. Practice just 10 minutes every day, and you will notice a clear difference in how you sound. Your speech will become smoother, more natural, and more confident. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.